So hello friends, myself Om and you are watching the YouTube channel Technical Om. Today I will tell you the specifications of Moto G9 Power. The specifications of Moto G9 Power are Snapdragon 662, 64 megapixel rear camera, 16 megapixel front camera, 6000 mAh battery, 20 watt fast charging, 6.8 inches HD plus display, Android 10. This is some more information about the front and rear camera of Moto G9 Power. The Moto G9 Power will come in two storage variants, 4GB plus 128GB and 6GB plus 128GB. There are two color variants of Moto G9 Power, grey color and blue color. This is the front side of Moto G9 Power. This is the back side of Moto G9 Power. The expected launch date of Moto G9 Power will be in the end of the November. In my opinion, the expected price of Moto G9 Power should be below 17,000.
This is the end of today's video. If you like the video, please click on the like button. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.